to the vast Farzad B gas field there.
Iran is all set to welcome Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Prime Minister Modi will be visiting Iran from May 22nd to 23rd. This is Prime Minister's first ever visit to Iran. This is also his third major visit to any West Asian country after UAE and Saudi Arabia. During the visit, Prime Minister will call upon the Supreme Leader of Iran and hold talks on a wide range of subjects of mutual interest with President Dr. Rouhani. Prime Minister's visit to Iran will seek to build on commonalities by focusing on cooperation in regional connectivity and infrastructure, developing energy partnership, boosting bilateral trade, facilitating people-to-people interaction, and promoting peace and stability in the region.
The invitation of the President of the Islamic Republic of Iran, Dr. Hassan Rouhani, the Prime Minister of India, Shri Narendra Modi, will pay an official visit to Iran on May 22-23, 2016.
The engagement with Iran has been stepped up ever since the Modi government came to power. Transport Minister Nitin Gadkari was the first high-level representative from the Modi government to visit Iran. Foreign Minister Sushma Swaraj too visited Iran. She came away with an assurance from the Iranian president that cooperation on developing the Chabahar port can be a defining partnership that has the potential of connecting the entire region. All Mr. Dharmendra Pradhan travelled to Iran last month to push for development rights to the vast Farzad B gas field in Iran. India and Iran will seal commercial terms to develop the prolific gas project in the Persian Gulf by a consortium of New Delhi-based exporters led by ONGC Videsh, latest by October 2016. Development of Chabahar port was of course high on Pradhan's visit as well. The port, located in southeastern Iran, is expected to act as a gateway for India, not just to Afghanistan but the entire Central Asian region. It holds a strategic importance for the region as well. The new route could give a fillip to India-Afghanistan trade, which has stagnated in the range of $680 million in the last 2 financial years. The visit of Prime Minister will provide a timely thrust to the ongoing efforts by the two countries and their business entities to expand bilateral cooperation and mutually benefit from the new opportunities. Iran had opened several lucrative sectors after sanctions against it were lifted under the historic nuclear deal. The size of Iran's economy is around $400 billion, the second largest in the Middle East after Saudi Arabia. India was one of the few countries that never halted oil imports from Iran during sanctions that were partially lifted in January. India is Iran's second biggest oil client after China. Iran is situated in India's extended neighborhood, and the two countries have significant overlap in their economic and security space. Siddhant Sibal, DD News, New Delhi.